Now that we've talked about the slope of a horizontal line, what about the slope of a vertical line? Does it exist? What is it? Well, we know it's not a zero, because zero is the slope of a horizontal line. Well, the slope of a vertical line is undefined. But before we talk about, before we end there, right? Let's talk about what it means to be undefined. Like that makes no sense, right? The word just by itself. So let's look at our vertical line, right? And here we've got 2 points on our line. We've got 2 and 2, x equals 2, y equals 2, and 2 and 1, x equals 2, y equals 1. So let's plug this into our wonderful slope formula. So on the top I have 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1. And on the bottom I have 2 minus 2. Well, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Now, why is it undefined? Because you can't divide by 0. This is one of the most fundamental rules in math, which is why we say slope of a vertical line is undefined. This is why. This is literally where it comes from. So, when you are asked about the slope of a vertical line, we know it's undefined. Now, what does the equation of a vertical line look like? Well, if it doesn't have a slope, what does it have? As a matter of fact, it doesn't have the y-coordinate. An equation of a vertical line is extremely easy to recognize because it doesn't have y at all. So if the equation of a horizontal line doesn't have an x, the equation of the vertical line does not have a y. So in this case, it looks, well, I actually have a 3. This is not a 2. This was supposed to have been a 2. This line was supposed to have been. So this line is x equals 3, and the equation that I have over here, this would have given me the line x equals 2, right? But whichever x coordinate this line lies on, that's where it's at.